If you're a foreigner planning to move, work, or retire in the Philippines, you might be wondering, how do I open a bank account here? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Whether you're staying short term or planting roots, this guide will help you feel more at home in the Philippines. Hi everyone and welcome to Philippines Update. This is Ashley. Having a local account really makes life smoother here. You'll be able to pay bills, receive your salary or pension, and avoid those frustrating international transfer fees. Plus, you'll get access to online banking in pesos, which makes day-to-day transactions so much easier. Let's talk about who can open an account. In general, if you're staying in the Philippines for a while, over 59 or 180 days depending on the bank, you'll likely be eligible. Most banks will want to see proof that you're here legally, like a valid visa and an ACRI card. If you're here on a tourist visa, it might be a bit trickier, but it's not impossible. Some banks are flexible, and I'll share a few tips for that later on. When it comes to picking a bank, I suggest going with the more established names, especially if you're new here. BDO, BPI, Metrobank, PNB, HSBC, or Citibank. I'm not saying these are the best banks for everyone. These are just more commercial banks that are a bit more familiar with helping foreigners. Definitely take time to explore and see what fits you best. Okay, so what documents should you bring? Here's what most banks will ask for: your valid passport, a valid visa, proof of address in the Philippines, like a utility bill or lease, one or two passport-sized photos, your ACRI card, especially for long-term stays, a bank reference letter from your home country bank. This is optional and depends bank to bank. Here's the step-by-step process to open your account. Step 1. Choose your bank and visit a main branch in person. Most banks still require you to be there physically to open an account. Step 2. Dress nicely, gather your documents, and be polite to the bank staff. It's always good to make a positive first impression. Step 3. Submit your documents. Step 4. Make the initial deposit. Step 5. Wait for your ATM card. Some banks can give your ATM card and PIN right away. Others might mail it to you in few days. And that's it. You opened your first Philippines bank account. If you need personal assistance opening a bank account, my team and I can also help you. We recently helped a client open their account in a private bank here in the Philippines. I will leave our contact details on the description down below. Okay, now let's talk about some few tips to help things go smoothly. Main branches are your friend. They're just more familiar with helping foreigners. Skip the small rural banks because they might not know how to handle foreign documents. Be patient and kind. Banking in the Philippines can be a little slower, but people are helpful and kind in return. Bring extra ID copies. This is always handy if someone asks for more than expected, so you don't have to run out to the shop to do it. If lining up at a branch isn't your thing, you might want to try one of these digital banks. CIMB Maya Bank. They offer easier signups and mobile banking, but heads up, some may still ask for proof of residency or a local address. Also, if you're curious about e-wallets in the Philippines, like GCash, Maya, and others, and how they work for foreigners, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to make a video about it. Opening a bank account in the Philippines might feel a little overwhelming at first, but once you know the steps, it's actually totally manageable. Having a local bank account makes your life here so much more convenient, from paying bills to managing your money like a local. If this video is helpful, I would appreciate if you can leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Also, make sure to turn on your post notification bell on so you won't miss out on informative videos about Philippines like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.